Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix 007firstlight file integrity check failed hash mismatch for this game, which is 007firstlight.exe. So just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. First things first, open up your Steam, click library, right click on your game, click properties, go to install files on the left panel, click verify integrity of game files, wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any missing corrupted files or missing files. As you can see, this is the fix for the error itself. So Steam has this tool itself that fixes all those problems for you. So wait for it to finish. Once it's done, it should say all files successfully validated. Close that out and relaunch your game. If it doesn't work, go ahead and right click on your game once more. Manage, browse local files. Right click on your game, properties, compatibility right over here, and make sure to check both this out. So basically it's run this program as administrator, disable full screen optimizations, make sure it has both checks. Click apply, okay, relaunch the game from the folder itself, and it should be fixed. Now, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.